So one more time, hi guys, my name is Krystian, and today I would like to tell you a little bit more about cryptocurrency and how to make a market research to invest your money into cryptocurrencies. So first of all, let's start why basically cryptocurrencies and Bitcoins are such a huge deal. First of all, because of the growing community using Bitcoin, and also because of the value, which is right now, as you can see, $70 billion. So the guy called Bill Gates need to be really worried because Bitcoin is almost same value as his net yearly value, $89.2 billion. And all of the cryptocurrencies is already just after the guy called Bill Gates, which is the value of them is 150 billions right now, just in 7 years, because Bitcoin started in 2010. There was the first transactions started in 2010. So as you can also see, it's just like 120 times less than, for example, gold. It's still a drop in the ocean, right? But in 7 years, Bitcoin just grow and cryptocurrencies just grow exponentially, and that's a really huge deal. What's more, it's not about only cryptocurrencies, but the technology behind it called blockchain. So just to explain you quite easily what is blockchain, so it's something like a ledger, like a spreadsheet of information in a block, connected, which is encrypted also, connected to another blocks of informations, creating a chain. And all of those are redistributed ledgers around the network. So that makes this technology makes it totally decentralized. So there is no one third party who is owning all of the information, and the information is just spread around the network, around all of the computers and devices. And this is what makes this technology the new type of internet. So if some of you are just thinking that you missed this era of dot-coms in early 2000 and you didn't create platforms like Facebook or Amazon, there is another time, another second chance to really go into blockchain technology, because a lot of people which I'm talking about blockchain, they are telling that this technology is a new kind of internet. So here you have just 30 most popular coins. There is like 1,000 already of them, and almost every single day the new coins are just popping up. There is like a lot of projects. Most of them are scams, so you need to be really watch out, and that's why on this presentation I want to also tell you how to make a market research and how to find those coins which are really valuable to invest your money. But before that, I would like to tell you a little bit more of really cool projects which I'm thinking that they are really worth to look on them. So first of all, it's Steemit. Some of you probably heard about Reddit. So Steemit, it's also the platform that you can share social media. It's a social media platform that you can share content. But the difference between Reddit and Steemit is that in Steemit you can earn money, Steam dollars, for the valuable content you are creating. So people who are upvoting your content are basically giving you money on that platform that later on you can exchange to real dollars on exchange platforms. So this is how the Steams work. Then another cool idea, cool project is Civic, which is decentralized ID kept on the decentralized platform. And you can basically imagine it as your ID card or your passport, keep on the decentralized ledger, and then you can authorize this ID with different kind of institutions like banks, governments, hospitals. So this is another cool idea of how you can use blockchain. Moreover, there is also Ledger of Things called IOTA, which is a project for Internet of Things. So all of your smart devices which you are using, like smartphones, smartwatches, can connect to this ledger and exchange information between it. So you probably could heard about Bluetooth and the hole inside Bluetooth that hackers could get into the Bluetooth and basically hack your information and use your smartphones to access other devices. It was the rumor like a couple of weeks ago. With IOTA and with basically the ledger of things, it's not possible because it's encrypted, and all of the information in this ledger is just going with encrypted data, so it's not possible to crack it. Another cool project is Store.j, which you can compare to, for example, Google Drive or Dropbox. And in this case, there is not like third party like Amazon or Google who is like storing your, or Dropbox who is like storing your information on their servers. Everything is redistributed around the network of computers, like your smartphones, computers, and all of the files are just divided into small pieces and encrypted and put on the computers of other people. And you can access them by having your own private key, something like your password, to enter all of your files. And this is also everything redistributed around different computers, not stored by one third party. Another and the last one project which I want to mention is Basic Attention Token. The co-founder of Mozilla Firefox is working on that project. And this guy's mission is to change the way how we are looking on advertisements on browsers. So they want to build a browser that is give you possibility to basically pay you for your attention. So if you watch the advertisement, then they will be paying you in that token called Basic Attention Token. Okay, so that's all a project I wanted to mention right now, and everything is possible because of Ethereum, which is the second most important right now cryptocurrency. The difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum is that that Ethereum have something like smart contracts. Smart contracts, you can imagine them as computer programs that are put to this ledger which I mentioned. Right, and they are also encrypted. So, and those programs are run based on different conditions, and that's why those projects which I mentioned are able to be developed. Okay, and with those two coins, Bitcoin and Ethereum, started to be something very popular right now called initial coin offering. So this is the way how right now startups who are based on cryptocurrencies are trying to raise money. You can compare it to crowdfunding, right? Or, for example, initial public offering. And projects based on cryptocurrency are just issuing tokens that you can buy by basically investing your own money. And then you are having like a part of that project. You can then exchange those tokens on different exchanges and so on and so forth. And right now, I would like to go more deep into the investments, right? Because, but before I will start that, a little bit disclaimer. Like so far, after that, all of this presentation, all of the slides, they're not like they're not investment advices. It's my based opinion. So you're supposed to not take those advices as an investment. And you should remember always that if you are investing your money, you are taking your own risk. So this is just a small disclaimer for that. Okay, so basically, what's the difference between day trading and investment when you are trying to invest your money? Day trading is that you are holding your positions every day till maybe a week. So it's like a short-term investment, and you are buying them and selling them quickly to make money. Then investing is a long-term investment that you are trying to hold those coins, those tokens for longer time, months or even years to make money. Talking about investment, we need to also talk about fundamental analysis and technical analysis. So when we are talking about fundamental analysis, we need to analyze here everything, information about the company, like what's the project about, what kind of problem it's solving, who is behind the scenes developing the project, what kind of environments, conditions are, how is the industry going on, so all of the information. And then technical analysis is more going deep into charts and graphs, so see how are the trends and where we're supposed to invest our money. And right now I would like to go deep into one of the coins which we also analyze as a company, and we make like a deep analysis to make a decision that we want to invest in 10x. So 10x is something like MasterCard or Visa for cryptocurrencies. So they want to solve the problem that right now Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies are more treated as a store value proposition, but not as a way of payment. So they want to develop you a card that you can go to the shop, buy beer, and pay with your cryptocurrency, right? And then how we done the analysis and how we make a decision to invest our money in 10x. So it's not a big deal or for example, it's not a rocket science that you firstly supposed to go to the Google, search the projects, go to their website, just read what they are having on the website, check out what they are doing, how they are solving the projects. There are also always information on the white paper. It's something like a documentation about the project that you can always check out and have information how they want to solve that problem. And then after that, you need to go deep into who is behind the scenes and who is developing the project. So who are the guys who founded the projects? Check out their LinkedIn profile, check out on what kind of projects they have been working on, check out their Twitter account, what they are writing about the projects, and who is behind the scenes. Then the next thing is to also go with the roadmap of the project, check out how is it going, if they are delivering the promises they made, and if they are having all of the deliverables on time, right? So going through that, you can make sure that the team is on time with the project and they are developing everything correctly. Then another thing is also really good to join the community. So there is a possible way to join the Slack, check out what they are releasing the news, what kind of news they have. You can ask questions, you can join the community of people who are also like you, really excited about that project, and just also engage with them. Then another really important thing is to make a research of the competition. So we also found out 7 different projects who is also making cards, debit cards in cryptocurrency. Or for example, like Revolut, who made already a card for fiat currencies like euro, dollars, that you can basically exchange money and withdraw money without any bank fees. So they are avoiding the banks. And we found out that they already have like 6 rounds of investment, raising $86 million. Equity crowdfunding also with 5.3 million. And we also compared those numbers to what is the value of 10x and what is the market capitalization of 10x. So we also try to understand if the project like that, which is already on the market a couple of years, how 10x could, for example, get to that point also with the same market capitalization. So we use for that Crunchbase, which is a really cool platform for that research, and also AngelList to understand what kind of investors they have. We also get deep into information about Revolut, like how many customers they already have, how many transactions they are making, just to also understand how 10x is supposed to develop the projects to also get to the same point, right? And if you don't want to do this everything by yourself, you can also go to the site like Crush Crypto. There are also people who are making such analysis. We also have been our base was also Crush Crypto, and we also just developed the template for our cryptocurrency market research based on what they've done. So we can also check out what they are saying about different ICOs and different tokens. Okay, after you make a fundamental analysis, you're supposed to go to more deep into technical analysis. So the best site to analyze the trends right now and all of the cryptocurrencies which are on the network, on the world, is CoinMarketCap. So you can go to this site, you can check out that there is more than 1,000 different coins to invest. And they are having also the price, which is like an average of the price for different exchanges. They are having market capitalization, they are having circulating supply, total supply of all of the coins, all of the information in one place, just to invest, just to make like a first step of technical analysis to make a decision that you want to invest in specific trend of the token. Then going more deep into more technical analysis, you can use CoinEG, which is specific platform for traders and investors. And here you can very deeply go and analyze trends, what is happening on the graphs, like where is right now the price, if it's worth to invest, if it's rising or if it's going down. And you can put alerts for the price. So this is more professional, let's say, tool to make a decision where is the price right now and if you want to go to the investment or not. But also the prices are very volatile, so they are really changing based on the news which are happening on the network. So that's why you're supposed to also go through the news platforms and check out what is happening recently about specific token. So definitely you can go to Twitter, like their Twitter accounts, following the CEO account, go to another guys who are also interested in 10x token, check out what they are saying about the token. You can definitely go to Reddit and also subscribe to channels which are particular connected with the token which you want to invest. And then there is also Steemit platform, which I already told you. The guys on Steemit platform are also paid in Steem tokens, so they want to have the very valuable content. So you can also use this one to check out and make a research about the news of your token. We are also using platform coined Coins Calendar just to check out what kind of events are happening around the world in particular tokens, because it can also influence what is the price of the token and of the cryptocurrency. So you need to also check out if there is any event happening, any conference, some kind of release, and this tool will give you this information. And I'm also using IcoStats as a tool to just check out what kind of new tokens are going out and what is the return of investment from that token, and also make a more deep analysis of that token based on IcoStats platform. And that's all about the information which I wanted to tell you. And right now I wanted to go a little bit deep into about our company. So we started in 2015 as a gaming industry company, created a platform called Esport LiveScore. This was the platform where we have putting all of the scores of matches in a gaming industry. Then the next later we created a platform called SkinsJar, which is exchange platform for one of the cryptocurrencies in a gaming industry called skins from CSGO, Counter-Strike. So we have been developing this platform to exchange skins between each other. So you probably know that those skins have value from 50 cents up to $1,500, and people just exchanging skins between each other. And we achieved like really big success, being like one of the top exchange for skins in the world. And then after that, our founders decided that we already have a knowledge to build exchange for one cryptocurrency. Let's just go and build exchange for other cryptocurrencies, and that's how AbuCoins started. So the project which we are working right now, it's firstly AbuCoins, which is the exchange for traders, mostly day traders, where you are investing based on the graphs, based on the charts. Then we have AbuShift, the more platform exchange for those who want to invest in a longer time. So they are not looking into the charts, they are just investing based on the price. And then last but not least is DAOBit platform, which is the news platform where we have posts about what is happening around cryptocurrency, and also day news information, what just happened in this industry. And why it's really worth to work with us, just a little bit information. We are located right now in Poznań, in the city center of Poznań, very close to Stary Browar. We just opened an office in Dubai, and we are also sending our coworkers to work there in 2 weeks period and work remotely with us. We have 20% program that we are basically giving possibility to our coworkers to learn after the co-working hours, and we are paying 20% of monthly salary for those learnings. And we have something like Surprise Wednesdays, that every Wednesday there is some food surprise, and we are getting sometimes pizza, sometimes so really good healthy food. So it's really amazing. And who we are really looking for are also traders. So for my team, people who are trading on stocks, but also who are trading cryptocurrencies. We are looking for customer support people. We are looking for marketers, PHP programmers, and bot programmers. And there is also like a representation from Abu Coins who are sitting there. So you can guys also go to Vanessa. Vanessa, please stand up. If you will be interested in working with us, just talk with Vanessa. She will like answer all of your questions during the drinking beer later on. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for your attention. And if you have any questions, I'm more than welcome to answer.